Welcome back to another part of what exactly you need to know as far as 1688 Chinese shopping app, most especially if you are a new user. And this is going to be part 4. Now, if you have been following the series of this particular tutorial, you find out that we end the third part right here. And this is where we are going to start. Okay, now here, let's say for instance, you want to send product video sample or picture sample to the supplier. What you need to the factory, what you need to do is to click on here, click on this plus sign right here. And when you click on this plus sign, you have different options right here. If you are sending product sample picture, click on this particular icon right here. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to your phone album right here. Then you can select any product picture sample that you want to send to the supplier, just like so. Now, if it is a video, you can simply click on this camera icon. Click on this camera icon, and it will take you to your camera right here. If it is a live video, simply record the video and send it to the supplier. It's that simple. Okay. Now, if it is a document that you want to send to the supplier, click on here. Maybe CorelDRAW file, Photoshop file, PDF, or MS Word. Click on that, this icon right here, and upload the file and send it to them. It's that simple. If you want to go back to the supplier or the factory store, simply click on this icon right here. This will take you back to their main factory store, whereby you can see so many different types of products as the case may be. So let's check it out. So you can see now that we are back into their store right here. So these are product line right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see product line in the factory right here. This is the main factory page right here. You can scroll down right here. So this is what this particular factory is all about, and this is their all product line. Everything you can see in the section here is direct from that particular factory. This is because we have already contacted them, we have already connected with them, and 1688 is not going to show any recommendation factory right here again because we have chosen this particular factory and we are in their sales page. You can see this factory here, they have a lot of product line. So the more you scroll down, the more everything is going to load up right here. Now, one more thing you can do right here is that if you love the factory and you want to get more updates about them, you don't want to lose their link and their store information, simply click on here to add them and to follow the store. So each time they have any update, new product, discounted, etc., you will be notified. So just like so, once you follow the store, so you can see it right here. Then when you follow the store, how you can simply find it. This is what the tutorial is all about. Simply click on here to close this combo. So you have successfully followed the store just like so. Now you can see their products, production line, factory video, quality check. Yeah, maybe this is their manager or customer support service, as the case may be, and you have all their product line right here. It's that simple. So this is everything you need to know about how you can connect with direct factory, how you can source for the verified factory, how you can contact them, and how you can check more product line in their store or in their factory warehouse, just like what you see right here. And this is their production video line, what they have in the warehouse, everything is found right here. And they have register and a legit factory on 1688 that you can simply trust and make a business deal with them. Okay. So that is that about factory connected, contact them, rating, check the quality and the product line, etc. Let's simply go back. So back, back, back. Now we are back to factory section in 1688. Okay. Now next thing what I'm going to do right here is to simply click on here to simply go back to the newsfeed or home page on 1688. Now here In the home page, there is one more thing you need to know right here, which is searching of products by category. How do you do that? For you to search for products by category, simply click on this icon right here. So when you click on that, it's going to take you right here. Then you have different product lines and product category right here. So just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products it's going to look up by different supplier. Then you can simply click on here to check on more classification products. So you can see it right here. So if you click on here, it's going to show you another line of products. Click on here, it show you another line of products. Click on here, it show you another line of products. Click on here, another line of products. And continue to go scroll down like this. There is more product sections, product line right here. So everything depends on what exactly you are looking for. This is a product sourcing by category. So this is another category right here. And this is another category right here. So the more you click on any of the link, the more it show you different products by category. There is much about products right here that you can simply get direct factory at a very cheap price. So this is a shoes, children's shoes category. Click on here and take you to another category. This is for category section. Let's simply go back. And right here, if you click on this particular icon right here, this is giving you different filters of searching for products by category. So you have another category right here. You have it right here. It's still the same thing as product sourcing by category. Okay. Now you can also scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products it's going to load up right here. So this is what you need to know about product category and how you can find different supplier or different factory under products category. Like I said in the video, this is a sign of products direct factory, and this is a sign for products recommended by 1688. You need to know all those things. So if 1688 recommend a product, it simply means that they trust the supplier. So this is another recommended by 1688, another recommended right here. So we simply mean that you can as well consider make a purchase from a factory or a store recommended by 1688. Let's take a look at this one that is recommended by 1688. Now it's going to take you right here, as you can see right here. So scroll down and check on their detail. So the store here is not being verified, but however, they have been recommended by 1688. Maybe the store registration requirement is yet completed, but you can still trust them for as long as 1688 recommended them. So you can see the badge of 1688 right here. So if you click on that, and it's going to show you detail about it right there. So these are products. These are more products recommended from this store by 1688. So you can also consider any store that has been recommended by 1688, even if the store is not a verified store yet on 1688. This is because the verification take a lot of papers, it take up a lot of things before they can eventually verify them. But when you see anyone that has been recommended by 1688 and you can easily find 1688 recommended badge on their store right here, consider to make a purchase from there. It's that simple. Let's simply go back. So that is for the category section of 168. One more thing from the home page right here is what we call image search. Under this image search, this allows you to search for product by uploading the product picture sample or take a live product picture of a particular product. Let's say, for instance, we want to image search. What we want to do is to click on this camera icon. When you click on the camera icon, it will open up the camera. Let's say, for instance, I want to search for this particular type of mic. I will simply snap the picture. Then allow the 1688 system to do the scanning, and in a few seconds, you see similar products right here. Just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all these type of products that you just snap live into the camera, just like what you see right here. Now you can filter by 48 hours delivery. You can also filter by 1688 recommended, just like I explained. These are 1688 recommended right here. Okay, can filter by them. You can scroll down, and the more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up, just like so. You can also swipe this way and filter by 7 days return without any reason. 68 days is going to generate them for you. You can also click on here and search by different things right there. And also you can click on here to source by factory location or store location. The more you scroll down, the more you. So this is a factory icon right here. And they have been recommended by 1688, and at the same time they have been verified by 1688. So the more you scroll down, the more you see right here. So this is one of the first way to image search on 1688. Alternatively, to image search on 1688, you can simply upload product picture. Let's say, for instance, I upload this particular product picture right here. It's going to scan. So once it scans, it's going to give us similar results for that particular product. Okay. So just like so, we have similar results right here. So if you are not satisfied with the result, you can come to the top right here and select another options. So it has been divided into three parts right here from the top: the part 1, the part 2, the part 3. Okay. So now I think the part 2 here is related to what I want. Now you have one right here that is similarly related. Okay. Now you can narrow your search based on another factory. For you to do that, simply click on this icon right here. When you click on the icon, it's going to refine and search from different systems. So just like so, you have everything right here. Then from here, you can connect with the manufacturer and make a business deal with them. It's that simple. So this is what you need to know about 1688 Chinese shopping app. I think this is going to be part 4. I'm going to see you in the next part. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.